Glory to Jesus Christ, glory to the God forever. So, having such a situation when you have your phone or your camera or your smartphone and it's cutting off because of battery scarce or low voltage or whatever. So it cuts off and you restart it, charge it again and open, and you see your file. For example, if you have your file but it's being corrupted, so I have a file, you see, MP4 format container. As you see, no data is saved here. The size is 3 GB, so I click on it and it says it can't be played. Whatever video editors I tried, there was no possibility to play it or to see it, to restore it. And some different programs also were tried to do this. So also you have here a GOM reader that shows you the data, but no other data like video resolution, frame rate, audio, bitrate and so on. So just stated container, extension and format. So we close it. And so there is such a program that does what people on the internet can offer you for such a large video of large size, but not of a large duration. They can take from you from $12 till $20 for this one private job. So you can buy such a program as Remo Video Repair. So you select the file you have problem with. Here it is, not playable. Then we clicked on the button repair. Now we need to wait not much time. Let's wait. I make a pause. Okay, it's done. Now you need to also to have one old file of 30 seconds or a little bit more from the same camera, and you need to select it. I have here one file of 20 megabytes and 13 seconds, even enough 13 seconds, not even 30 seconds. So I select this file just for reference, in order for the program to understand what the corrupted file is. Okay, I have chosen. Here we have corrupted file name 0052 and healthy file from the same device 0047. So I click on the button repair. Now you see the process is being done. Very fast process. If, for example, it could take 10 hours, then it was for you to pay to online websites. But this program does it very fast, not even on very fast computers. At least 2 cores will be enough. Or you can have, I think, probably 2 cores CPU, but to 8 gigahertz and more. We'll see. The data is still in process, but it is 8-core CPU. So let's wait. I make a pause. So you see, the process is almost done. It's almost done. So 4 minutes, less than 4 minutes. 3:42. Also at the end you will see strange thing. The duration of recovered video is only 24 seconds, while the whole video has about 37 minutes. But here you have only 24 seconds, but it's something wrong with the program or whatever, I don't understand. Well, it's preview, probably a durational preview, but all the same. I click on save button, then I make recovered video. Container is only more is available. Okay, it's done. I click OK. I click close the program. Okay, no, that's late. So recovered file, as you see, the original file size is 316 gigabytes, and recovered file size is 316 gigabytes. As you see, 37 minutes, and I play the recovered video. As you see, it's played. As you see, you can watch this really with no problem. I now open GOM Reader and I put it here, so you see, even it recorded more. All the same, more is just for extension name, but all the same, the container is still the original from the recorded video MP4. So you see, more or less, you have exact original quality. So glorify the God forever, and you see, the company knows how to deal to help people if, for example, they have lost many videos. So this program is worth to buy.